Hello, champion. George Duhart here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. Today's episode, we're going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why you should eat the red bell pepper. And before we get started though, make sure you hit the link below this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are impacting and changing lives, but one cooking show at a time. You know, this series over the last couple of weeks or so, moving forward, we talked about immune boosting ingredients, recipes on how you can really bulletproof yourself against the coronavirus and all other viruses and have a healthy immune system. So today I'm going to share with you 5, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons why you should eat the red bell pepper. Number 1, vitamin C. Vitamin C is known to be immune boosting. Vitamin C, number 1. Number 2, B6, which is important. It has folate, that's number 3. Number 4, antioxidant. Anything that's got a lot of color, red, the berries, red, all the bright colors, antioxidant. And what's the 5th one?
Vitamin C.
I said vitamin C. I'm firing him. No, but seriously, they're good for the eyes. Bell peppers are good for the eyes. So let's recap again. 5 reasons why you should eat a bell pepper. Vitamin C, which is number 1 uno for immune boosting properties. Number 2, B6. Number 3, folate. Number 4,
B6? You said B6 already, right?
yo. Let's go back again. Vitamin C, B6, folate, antioxidants,
and it's good for your eyes.
good for your eyes. We're having a 2-man show going here with the cameraman and I. So we have fun though at the same time with eating great quality food. So guys, remember 5 reasons why you should eat a bell pepper. And I'll leave a link below on all the things that I just shared with you. Vitamin C, B6, folate, antioxidant, and good for the eyes. So guys, with that said, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel below this video. Click below and join the link and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We want to thank you guys. God bless you guys. And keep praying for the men and women on the front line who are making us safe and keeping us safe. We love you guys. God bless you guys. Until next time, tomorrow that is, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. Chef George out. Fired up.